The Two Sons. Hello, my name is Darsha Elaine Hogandi. Today I'm going to tell you a story about the two sons. Here is a man. He grows apples in an orchard. The apples are red and rosy. It is time for them to be picked. At home, the man has two sons. I want you to help me to pick the apples, says the man to his first son. No, says the first son. I'm busy. But after a while, he is sorry for what he had said. He picks up a basket and goes to the orchard. The man finds his second son. I want you to help me pick the apples too, he says. Yes, says the second son. I will come as soon as I have put on my boots. Back in the orchard, the first son is busy picking apples. Look, he has already finished one basket. Well done, son, says the man. Here is another basket. We'll have this done in no time. They work together until all the apples have been picked. But there is no sign of the second son. He has forgotten his promise. Who do you think pleased his father? The first son? Or the second son? Jesus says, what we do is more important than what we say. Bye-bye!